he never really talked about the part of the Yiddish theater that he had been involved with, except, I think he was proud that, so when Maurice Schwartz built the Yiddish Art Theater on 2nd Avenue and 12th Street, so the initial show was the 10th Commandment, and my father did the sets. And again, there were funny stories about that, but it's not from my father, but that I think it's opening night and it's like 1 in the morning and they've reached the end of the first act. There's so much stuff. But this show involved heaven and hell. And heaven was a seat at the Metropolitan Opera, a box seat, and hell was a head, and it was the human mind. And it was this very constructivist set of the outline of a head where you could see the mechanics and the machines, and that my father's idea that hell is the human mind was something he was always very proud of that set. And I will say that as a teenager, so this must have been 67, he took me to some plays I went to see Marat Sade, the Peter Brook production, but then the Living Theater came to New York, and he took me to the Living Theater, and they used a set that was very similar to my father's set. And it's not so much that he felt stolen as that he felt that what was supposedly so radical in 1967, he had done in 1927 in that set. So I think he had a sense of pride in that particular set.